Hello everyone. So in this one, we have to find out the tension at point P. We already found out what is the velocity equation. So I hope you remember. So velocity is equal to, or V square is equal to U square minus 2GH. Okay. So here also V square is equal to U square minus 2G into R into 1 minus cos theta. So I'm just going to give this equation because I would be using these equations again in my tension. Okay, so what is how to find out tension first of all? So I would like to look at this. Mg is actually acting downward. So mg cos theta, if this angle, as you can see, if this angle is theta, then this is also theta. So also what will be this component? That will be mg sine theta. So it will be mg sine theta, and this is mg cos theta. Also, what would be there? So there will be a component. What is that? That is the centripetal force. Centrifugal force will be acting in that direction. That is mv square divided by radius r. Okay, so I hope most of you understood how to get the tension, because along the tension, see, there are two components. So who is responsible for the tension? There are two components who are responsible for the tension, mv square by r and mg cos theta. So then I can write it as T is equal to, tension T is equal to mv square divided by r plus mg cos theta. Right? Yes. So now I'm going to give the remaining parts. Like, see, I got my tension equation. But what is V? V already I have done, right? So what will be tension? Tension is equal to mg cos theta plus m by r into, what is V square by basically u square minus 2gh. That's it. Or I can write it as T is equal to mg cos theta plus mu square by r minus 2mgh divided by r. So what is cos theta actually? I'm going to write a tension equation in two ways. One will be in terms of theta and the other one will be without theta. What is cos theta here? Already we discussed. What is cos theta? So I'm going to write cos theta is equal to, as we know, cos theta is equal to r minus h divided by r. So substitute that there. So the T equation becomes mg into r minus h divided by r plus mu square divided by r minus 2mgh divided by r. So you can do one thing, m by r you can take outside, so that would be better. So m by r I'm taking outside, tension is equal to, so m by r if I take outside, r into g minus h into g plus u square minus, so m by r I'm taking, so 2gh. This will be the formula, correct? So now you can see minus hg minus 2hg, it will be minus 3hg. So tension will be equal to m by r into, so what would be this value? This value becomes, as you can see, u square minus 3gh plus r into g. This will be the equation for the tension. So as you can see here very clearly, the tension equation I got in terms of u square and h. That is the most important part. Okay, so even if I have a tension in terms of m by r into u square minus 3gh plus rg or gr, then I want one more equation in terms of theta. So what I'm going to do is, like, what if in case if it is given, or if you want to use the equation in terms of theta, how would we make it? Very simple. So I'm going to use the same equation again. So as we know that the tension is equal to mg cos theta plus m by r u square minus 2gh. I'm going to multiply this m by r inside. So it will be T is equal to mg cos theta, or m I am taking outside. So it will be g cos theta plus u square divided by r minus 2gh divided by r. So what I'm going to do is, like, I know that is h is equal to r into 1 minus cos theta. So I'm going to use that. So T is equal to m into g cos theta in bracket g cos theta plus u square divided by r in minus 2g r 1 minus cos theta divided by r. So here r got cancelled. So what will be my tension? Tension is equal to, as you can see, m I'm taking, m is outside, g cos theta plus u square divided by r minus, so 2g you multiply inside will be minus 2g, see, minus 2g, then minus of minus plus g 2g cos theta, right? So now you can see, so this T is tension is equal to m into the final equation is there, g cos theta plus 2g cos theta, 3g cos theta. So it will be u square divided by r minus 2g, like again minus 2g plus 3g cos theta. This is the tension equation in terms of theta. This is also tension equation in terms of theta. So these like two equations we have. Mostly I'll be using this first equation. But in case if you would like to make an equation which is even in terms of theta, then you can use this equation. Okay, I hope you understood. It's not even a big deal. A very simple equation, and that's it. Now we will be discussing what will be the tensions at each points, like what will be the tension at the bottommost point, and the middle point between bottom and the top, and at the top point, and then other things as well. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you.